So we have our Briggs & Stratton. This is just a little 4.5 horse. I think these are called the 300 series, where the carburetor sits on top of the tank, and there's a tube on the bottom of the carb that pulls fuel up. So this one has a side style primer, and this is actually my most favorite primer, just because you can physically see the fluid shoot into the carb. So right down in here, you'll see fluid shoot out of there. You see that stream, that perfect stream. Now, of course, I'm going to flood it, but for the video, that perfect stream of fuel. You can see that perfect stream of fuel. So what that does is, this primer bulb, when you're pressing it, it's actually suctioning fuel out of the tank and into the engine so you can get it started, because this model has no choke. And without this, you would pull your guts out forever, because without suction from the engine through this breather tube, you're not going to get any fuel pulled up from the tank. So that's why they put these primer bulbs in. New mowers have gotten away from primer bulbs due to like automatic chokes and heatsink chokes and stuff like that. But I prefer an actual primer bulb. And like I said, these Briggs ones are my favorite because you can physically see that stream of fuel. Guaranteed to start after this. Like these carburetors are fairly easy to work on. The diaphragm and gasket, which I'll do in a different video, are kind of a little more difficult, but these ones right here, these are my favorites. So that's what a primer bulb does. You press it and it sucks fuel out of the tank and into the engine, and you're ready to go.